Hey guys! Hello and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we'll show you how you can use ChatGPT for YouTube automation so that you can make the content creation process even easier. ChatGPT has been going viral for its limitless potential to make everyday life easier. Whether you're looking for a simple breakfast recipe or if you wanted to take the MCAT successfully, this chatbot has showcased its incredible ability to do almost anything it's asked to. Since such an impressive and valuable tool is accessible to the masses, what better way to use it than in YouTube automation? The concept of YouTube automation entails doing as little work as possible while still garnering the same results and growth, if not better, than a traditional channel. The utilization of AI tools has always been present in YouTube automation, but ChatGPT's expansive capabilities allow you to use it as almost an all-in-one resource as opposed to having to use multiple tools. So what really is ChatGPT? It is a language generation model developed by OpenAI that uses machine learning algorithms to generate responses to almost any prompt or question you may have in a way that can be passable as human output. It's known as one of the most advanced language models on the market today. It is able to gather data and information from almost any source on the internet to answer even the most difficult of queries. Typical uses of the chatbot have been for text generation, question answering, conversation simulation, summarization, text classification, text completion, and translation. As you can see, all of these uses can tie into the creation process of a YouTube video. So let's dive into how you can use ChatGPT to automate your channel. The first step of any YouTube video or channel is to come up with a niche, as well as a topic for the video. Sometimes, this can be the most challenging part of the process because it requires you to choose from an almost endless list of topics, while still considering current trends and long-term sustainability. ChatGPT, being able almost instantly to scour any web page and database, can allow you to generate lists upon lists of ideas for both your channel and the videos that you want to post. Such an extensive search process can be cut down to a few minutes with the help of ChatGPT. One thing to note is that ChatGPT's knowledge is still currently only limited to 2021 data, meaning that any prompts inputted involving current information may not yield accurate results. In fact, the bot will even tell you that its training data is insufficient. However, they will oftentimes try to generate a response based on the information that they do have, albeit it will be a bit outdated. Here are a few prompts that you can use to help pick your next channel niche. Give me a list of 10 YouTube channel topics that are popular with Gen Z. Give me a list of some up-and-coming YouTube channel topics. What are some YouTube video ideas with the potential for virality? Tell me a list of YouTube video ideas that encourage engagement and long-term viewership. Perhaps the most tedious part of a YouTube video is researching. Depending on what niche your channel is about, you may also have to deep dive into heavy-hitting topics that you would have to explain to your viewers. One of ChatGPT's features is that it can easily dumb down any concept you input into the chat box and present it to you in a way easily consumable by casual audiences. Even the most intricate and complex theories can be simplified by ChatGPT, making it so understandable that you could just copy and paste it right into your script. The most significant benefit of ChatGPT in terms of research is that it can consolidate information for you. Even if you want to go and do some digging yourself, the AI can provide you with a skeleton of what information to look for so that you have a solid starting point instead of going in blind. It's especially handy for outputting information and research in a list format, so channels that often structure their videos that way will find the bot incredibly convenient. For example, suppose you were making a video on the top 10 places to travel in Northern Europe. In that case, you could simply type in "make a list of the top 10 places to visit in Northern Europe and why it is attractive to travelers," and the bot will provide you with a detailed list compiled from information from well-known travel sites, online bloggers, and other videos, saving you time and energy, aka more time to lie on the couch and watch TV. With text generation being one of ChatGPT's most used features, it is no surprise that many YouTubers have utilized the AI to write their scripts. The chatbot even goes as far as setting the scene, giving users suggestions on opening sequences and imagery to accompany their generated script. That being said, scripts curated by ChatGPT all have the same format and are relatively simple in terms of structure and writing style. In other words, The scripts kind of sound like your 13-year-old cousin could have written them. If you're looking for something cookie-cutter, such as a how-to guide or a tutorial, this may not be an issue for you. However, those looking for scripts that focus on storytelling, persuasion, or fully capturing an audience's attention may not want to depend on ChatGPT for a script. If anything, the generated text can be a solid foundation for those looking for a more detailed script. They can send the script made by the bot to a specialized script writer to make edits, which will cost significantly less than having them write it from scratch. Lastly, perhaps the most important aspect of video creation that ChatGPT can help with: copywriting and SEO. The chatbot can easily write you SEO-optimized video descriptions, channel descriptions, hashtags, and other text containing keywords that appeal to the YouTube algorithm and increase your content's reach. ChatGPT can also help write a YouTube video title that will be the most appealing to your target demographic if you input a short description of the video content. Additionally, the bot can format responses to YouTube comments and moderate them so that you can efficiently address the concerns and feedback of your viewers. With ChatGPT growing in popularity by the day, there's no doubt that behind the scenes, the developers are hard at work in terms of improving it. That means that its capabilities will only grow as time goes on, allowing it to offer even more services to users that can be useful in the automation space, such as transcription or caption generation. What do you think? Will you be making ChatGPT one of your regular go-to automation tools? Or are you using some other ones? Let us know your favorite YouTube automation tools in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in learning more about automation. Until next time, see you later, automators.